Oh, it's going to be a super quick vid today. I've got to shoot for my coach. But listen, one of the greatest performance by us at all. But we got the win. Eddie doing the bits. Saka's goal, right behind the goal for Saka's goal. Unbelievable. I thought it was really important to get that goal back in half time. United set up well, do you know what I mean? They've got that structure there. And I'd arguably say they got the better of the first half. I thought Martinelli was a bit poor, but Trossard when he came on. Come on! Top of the league! We are top of the league, say we are top of the league! We are top of the league, say we are top of the league! And mate, Trossard, we needed that because I thought Martinelli were a bit dead. Not going outside, he's not looked himself since he's come back from the World Cup. But Trossard looked the boy. He really did. And honestly, the atmosphere at the end, unbelievable. The referee was poor, but it is what it is. Ramsdale were unlucky. But I wasn't unlucky, it was a mistake. We'll get over it. YG, come on, I'll get.
Yes.
We are top of the league.
Eric Ten Hag, are you listening to the song that we're singing? We're 11 in front, you bald-headed cunt, walking in the Mickey Wonderland.
Hey! Eagles, man. Unbelievable scenes, mate. Such a vibe. Red Army! But yeah, we keep going. That's all we can do, man. On to the next. Enjoy the week. Peace and light. Victoria Concordia Crease as always, man. Big ups. We are top of the league. Say we are top of the league.